Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing guys how you can create the AO Chav-check makeup. Well, it's just Chav makeup on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video, shall we? I'm just going to remove everything, including the face, which hopefully I will remember what I used. Alright, let's delete that. For the eyes, oh my gosh, I forgot about the lashes just now, which I will do later. But for the eyes, I think I used this one. And then for the brows, I used them super thick, super clean brows in black. For the lips, I just used this one. And I just colored it the same as the skin tone. And then, whoops, for the concealer, for the contour, I did use this one and colored it orange. And then I did put this like layer on top in just like white, and like the whitest you can possibly add to that for the concealer. And then for the nose, I did this one. And what else did I add? I like added another one. Oh, this one. So it's snatched. I added this one first actually. So it looks something like this. For the hair, I just did this one in a brown color. Now I'm just going to add lashes because I didn't do that, which is bad because that's what you need for the Chav makeup, you know. Get this one, and then let's see which one gives the most. That one, honestly. Oh, that one could work too. I think I'm gonna do this one actually, and I might scale it down just a little bit, okay? And then for the nails, I just did long nails like that, and you can add whatever pattern you'd like to. Then I'm just going to add on this shirt here in white and this jacket in black. And then I'm just going to add a tie. This is like a, I don't know, like a school uniform. I don't really know if people actually wear this, but that's what I've been seeing on TikTok, so I'm just assuming based off what I'm seeing. Let's see, where is that pattern? Oh, here it is. Then I'm just going to use a skirt. In that color as well. Use these stockings and then just these plain shoes. If you want to add hoops, you can add either this one, but I really like the one from VIP. I don't know where the hoops went, like the one we had before, the like really big ones, because that's what you need, you know. And then also for the bag, I want to use this one. If you don't have it, that's also completely fine. You know, you don't have to. And I guess I'll get the iPhone while I'm at it, because they're always on their phones. From what I've seen, okay, I don't really know. Let's do, I don't know, basic white. And that is how you can create a chav in Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.